How to change your profile picture on Roblox mobile. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To change your profile picture on Roblox mobile, tap on the Roblox application firstly. Make sure that your Roblox app is up to date. If you have not logged in into your account, make sure to log in into your Roblox account. To change your profile picture, tap on the avatar icon where you can change characters, clothing, accessories, head, and more. Tap on the profile icon to select your emote to pose your avatar. Select on Next. Now set the zoom in, zoom out, and rotate of it. Tap on Save. Just like that, you'll be able to change your profile picture on Roblox mobile. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, check out this next step. You can exit from here and press and hold on to your application to head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear it up. If not, check for System Update and make sure your Roblox is compatible with the system. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.